Where are we, buddy?
There's some actions in the back. So yeah. Oh yeah, I heard a HMCR train coming. Yeah, it's this green bus. Michael. Oh, look at all these things. Oh wait, noisy one. Alright, here is American Standard. It's not running this time. Alright, there is a carrier. There's a very noisy one. There's a Bryant. Jeez. There's a carrier not running. Here's this very noisy Brian. Here's a carrier. Oh, look, there's some units over here. Right here. There's a Goodman, Payne. Huntsville, there's a Payne. Here's this Goodman. This one's running right now. And over here, there's the window unit. Oh, G window unit. Oh look, let's watch the units. Over here. Right there, there's a train unit. There's a Goodman. Here's a train unit. There's Goodman. Another Goodman. Two more Goodmans. There's a whirlpool. There's a Fujitsu. Oh, train! Start up! Excellent! I got the old train starting up. Oh, wait, it's a Fujitsu. It's running. I'm interested in that. So yeah, over now.